What's up, you guys? I just got home from school today, and earlier this week, well, last week, on Saturday, I ordered some new boots, and I've already opened them. I was kind of impatient. Sorry about that, but I'm gonna unbox them for you guys again. They're the JETT J1 boots. Oh, dude. Look at that. That is sick. It looks like carbon fiber stuff right there. That is awesome. The replaceable shank. This whole upper part right here is replaceable too. And let me open it up. Let's get the other one out first. BTO delivers perfectly on time. It said 5 to 8 shipping days. I took the least time possible to get them over here from California to North Carolina. Alright, so the hinge system is really easy. That little flat part flaps open, and there's the inner booty part. More of the things. This whole back part slides off to get to the boot that you actually stick in. This Velcro pieces right here. Oh, dude, I'm loving this. Wow, that's pretty sick. It just opens up like that. J1 JETT boots. These are the ones that do not cost $300. These are the ones that are without the inner booty that you can replace. Which I don't think the inner booty's that's not worth another $100. If you're looking for a new pair of high-grade boots, a lot of professionals use these in the GPs in England and Europe. And if you're looking for another high-grade pair of boots, definitely check out JettJ1.com. They have graphics to go on these. It's pretty sick. They look like graffiti. I didn't order them because I got them from BTO Sports. But you can get those on JettJ1.com, JettBoots.com, and it's a 52-piece or a 53 or 52-piece kit that you can put on, or if you order the boots from the main website, you can get that assembly put on for you professionally. But here they are, man, unwrapped and everything. It's pretty sick. I'll give y'all one last view of them closed. One open, one closed, just to look like I know what I'm doing, which I don't. JETT J1 boot. Sick crap. Alright, you guys, well, I'm going to close this one up. Definitely check these out if you're looking for more boots. Or if not, it's just cool to look at. It's got a hinge system too, if I didn't mention that. And check out Stacker. I know more people have watched his videos than mine by about 1,000. Or more than that, but check out his videos. He's pretty cool. He's local around me. I might run into him sometime, see me on his videos. Alright, well, blow the man out.